Okay, so at the Grand Prix Memphis, I was able to pick up a pack of World Wake and see what's in it. Alright, number one, I have a Iona's Judgment. There's a Enclave Elite. There's a Hedron Rover. A Searing Blaze. There's a Dispel. A Walking Atlas. I have a Ruthless Coldblade. Ruthless Coldblade gets +2/+1 as long as an opponent has 10 or less life. Not bad. Rolling Terrain. A Feral Contest. Right, on to the uncommons. I have a Voyager Drake. A Caustic Crawler, which has landfall. Sling Blow Trap. And for the rare, Marshall's Anthem. There's a World Wake Rules tip card. Wow, got a full art Zendikar land. Very nice. And I have a shiny, which is Everflowing Chalice. Kind of pleased with this pack, not bad. First time I got a chance to open it, I was hoping for Jace, the Mind Sculptor, but you know, it is what it is. I have a Zendikar land, I'm happy with that. Some decent cards in here, so overall, not a bad pack.